Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see how to read and write the text into the files in Linux with the help of commands. So for this we require the terminal. So I am opening the terminal. My terminal is ready. I will try to write something inside a particular file. For this there is a command called as cat. So cat greater than symbol will be used. The name of the file needs to be given. So this is the file 1. This file will be automatically created. You do not have to specifically create the file first and then write the content into it. You can automatically create that particular file when you are writing the content inside that particular file. So file 1 is the file which I am automatically going to create. Now it is asking me to insert some content into it. So I am going to write some content, that is good morning. Hello viewers. And suppose bye bye. These are the contents which I have to write inside the particular file. Now to come out of the terminal, that is I am going to press Ctrl Z, which is currently going to stop that particular session. So cat greater than symbol is used for writing the contents inside the file. Now I want to check whether the contents are properly inside the file. I am going to write cat file 1 without the greater than symbol, and you will find that good morning, hello viewers, and bye bye are the 3 lines that are successfully written inside the file 1. Okay, so this is how you can write as well as read from the file with the help of the cat command. Now there is very important command, or you can see an interesting command, that is called as stack. If you use stack file 1, that is stack is the command and file 1 is the name of the file, it is going to give me the output in the descending order. So whatever contents are present, that contents will be given in the bottom up approach. So you will find that the good morning has come at the lower line, then you're going to have hello viewers, and then you're going to have bye bye. So it is exactly going to work opposite of your cat. Cat gives the contents in the ascending order as we read, and the stack is going to give the content of the file in descending order. So this is usually used when you want to read the log messages. Usually the log messages are updated from the bottom. So if you want to read the bottom lines, you can use this particular stack command. Then we are going to learn what is the head command. Head command is also used for reading the content from the file. So the command is like this: head -n, that n stands for number of lines. If I say 2, I want to read only 2 lines from file 1. So you will see that only good morning and hello viewers are the 2 lines that I have read from the file 1. Now suppose if I write tail -n and 2, and then if I write file 1 and press enter, I will have the last 2 lines, or you can say the bottom 2 lines from that file 1. So head is going to give me the first 2 lines, and that tail command is going to give me the last 2 lines from the file 1. -n stands for the number of lines you want to be represent. Suppose if I write only 1 over there, instead of 2, if I write only 1, then it is only going to give me the last line from the file 1, that is the bye bye line. So this was all about the simple how to read the content from a particular file and how to write inside a particular file. So with the help of cat greater than symbol, you can write inside the file, and if you do not write the greater than symbol, it will be acting as a read command. So you can read with the help of the cat command. Then we saw what is the stack command. Stack command is exactly opposite of your cat command. It is coming in the reverse fashion. Then we saw head and tail command. Specifically, if you want to read the 2 lines or 1 lines from that particular file, then you can use the head command and the tail command respectively. So that's all for today. I hope you have understood how to read and write inside the file with the help of commands in your Linux. It was as simple as that. If you like my video, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.